Hello, hi. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to scalp using MACD. Okay, so first you need a MACD indicator. So this is the setting 12.26.9, and then you need parabolic SAR. So the setting is 0.06. Okay, so and then you need use this no nonsense ATR. If you're using other platform, you can use other ATR indicators. So the TP is 2 times ATR and the stop loss is 3 times ATR. Okay, so our TP is smaller than our stop loss, but we are aiming for 70% win rate and above. So we'll make money eventually. And so for sell, okay, you want this MACD lines, this 2 MACD lines below 0. Okay, 0 line. Okay, so both of them has to be below 0. And if it's below 0, you can only take sell. And then you want this parabolic SAR to have a buy signal. And then you sell. Okay, sorry. So you sell here. You just click 2 times. And you see this. So I'm going to risk 2%. So you sell here. Okay. And a sell signal. So above 0 line. And we sell here. Okay. Sorry, sell. Okay. Both below the 0 line. And we don't wait for confirmation or anything like that. Okay, sell again. Okay, trend change, so we got stopped out. So here we have not exactly, so we want both of them to be above 0. Okay. Okay, both above 0, so we have a sell signal for parabolic SAR, so we buy here. Okay. Okay, both above 0 line, so we buy here. 25. Okay, got stopped out, so we're still in profit. So, and we have a sell here. Okay. This strategy is very good in ranging market, but right now it's a trending market. Okay, sell here. Okay, sell again. Okay, sell here. Sell again. Okay, so the market is ranging, so it's very good in this kind of market condition. But it can survive trending market as well. Okay, we almost got stopped out, but our stop is so huge. Yeah, so we take profit here. Okay, sell again. Okay, so when the trend change, we lose money. Nothing we can do about it. Okay, we buy here, both above 0.9. Okay, we got TP there. Okay, buy here. Okay, stop that. Okay, we have a sell here. And by the way, all of the indicators, I have a link down below. And okay, got stopped out again. So we are in profit. All right, so okay, we have a buy here. Okay, sell here. Stop that. Okay, buy here. Buy here. Okay, stop that. Okay, go it again. So yeah, it's very good in this type of market condition. Okay. Okay, did we? Oh, okay. So we have a signal here. We sell here. 25. Okay, it's very nice. Right, so we are 10% gain on account. So in how many trades is this? 29 trades. And so I'm going to test this 100 times, okay, and see if this is, valid strategy. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so this is the result of 100 tests. So it's Euro USD 30-minute chart to January 2020 until to April 2020. So in 100 trades we made $4,600, and that's a $10,000 account in the simulation, and we risk 2% per trade. Okay, so it does work even if the TP is smaller than our stop loss, because we have a 72 win and 28 losses. And so that's 22% win rate. And we have max consecutive wins 16, and that's a lot. And max consecutive loss only 3. Okay, and this this profit include spread and commission as well. So that's pretty good. And another thing is just because you have this good win rate, okay, does not mean it will repeat in the future. So that's why it's important to add other stuff, your outside analysis, because this is just a basic strategy. Okay, so you just use your intuition. You're not going to take every trade. Just use your knowledge, price action knowledge, and market structure, or whatever it is. Okay, and so you can be more consistent and increase your win rate, maybe to 76% win rate. Okay, so and another thing is you can change the value, like I don't know, like 3 to 4 or whatever, 1 to 1.5, let's say. Just experiment, and yeah, that's it. So you don't take every signal. And another thing is, because this strategy works pretty well in ranging market, so you may want to use this strategy only when you have this rangy market. So in some forex pairs, it's more rangy than other pairs, so you might want to trade that pair instead. And also, because this strategy, you lose when the trend change. Okay, let's say it's here, so you have to use your own intuition to figure out when the trend will change. Okay, so that's it. So this is so this is the graph. So we have a win streak here, and so yeah, that's it. So you need to use your own analysis, other analysis, market structure, hidden divergence, whatever it is. And so yeah, that's all. And if you like the video, please comment down below for the algorithm. Okay, thank you.